If you live in Zone 9, you are lucky enough to enjoy a long growing season. This zone encompasses parts of the southern United States, including California, Arizona, Texas, Florida, and Louisiana. The warm temperatures and mild winters in Zone 9 make it possible to grow a wide variety of plants, from vegetables and herbs to flowers and fruit trees. When planning your garden in Zone 9, it's important to know when to plant different crops for optimal growth and yield. Here is a planting calendar for Zone 9 that will help you get the most out of your garden. January. Plant cool season vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and lettuce. Sow seeds for carrots, beets, and turnips. Start onion sets indoors for transplanting later. February. Continue planting cool season vegetables. Plant asparagus crowns. Sow seeds for peas, fava beans, and radishes. March. Start planting warm season vegetables such as tomatoes, peppers, and eggplant indoors. Transplant cool season vegetables from earlier plantings outdoors. Plant potatoes and sweet potatoes. April. Plant warm season vegetables outdoors once the danger of frost has passed. Sow seeds for corn, beans, and cucumbers. Transplant tomatoes, peppers, and eggplant outdoors. May. Continue planting warm season vegetables. Sow seeds for pumpkins, winter squash, and melons. Plant herbs such as basil, oregano, and thyme. June. Plant okra and sweet corn. Sow seeds for sunflowers and zinnias. Harvest early summer crops such as lettuce, spinach, and peas. July. Plant heat-tolerant vegetables such as black-eyed peas, lima beans, and sweet potatoes. Sow seeds for fall crops such as broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Harvest summer crops such as tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. August. Plant fall crops such as collards, kale, and mustard greens. Sow seeds for radishes, turnips, and carrots. Harvest melons, pumpkins, and winter squash. September. Continue planting fall crops. Plant garlic bulbs for overwintering. Sow cover crops such as clover and vetch. October. Plant cool season annuals such as pansies and violas. Harvest fall crops such as broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Sow cover crops to protect soil during winter. November. Plant cool season vegetables such as lettuce, spinach, and kale. Sow seeds for sweet peas and poppies. Mulch garden beds to protect soil during winter. December. Plan for next year's garden. Order seeds and plants for early spring planting. Clean and store gardening tools and equipment. By following this planting calendar for Zone 9, you can maximize your garden's potential and enjoy a bountiful harvest throughout the year. Happy planting!